Hi and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will talk about crypto wallets. What are these and how does it work? So make sure to watch the video till the end to know more. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click the subscribe button so you won't miss new crypto content. Transactions using digital money are becoming more practical, useful, and accessible because of blockchain technology. However, as the number of cryptocurrency users has increased, so too has the frequency of cryptocurrency-related cybercrime. Because of this, it's crucial to learn about crypto wallets, including how they operate and what to look for in a physical or digital one, in order to keep your cryptocurrency secure. What is a crypto wallet? Traders keep the secure digital codes required to connect with a blockchain in cryptocurrency wallets, sometimes known as simply crypto wallets. Contrary to what their name would imply, they don't actively store your cryptocurrency. Crypto wallets must communicate with the blockchain because they need to find the cryptocurrency linked to your address there. Cryptocurrency ledgers, rather than wallets, serve as the owner's identity and account on a blockchain network and give users access to transaction history. How do crypto wallets work? You aren't actually transferring any coins when someone gives Bitcoin, Ether, Dogecoin, or any other kind of digital currency to your crypto wallet. They are transferring ownership of it to the address on your wallet. In other words, they are attesting that the cryptocurrency on the blockchain now belongs to your address instead of theirs. A public key and a private key, which are both digital codes, are required for this procedure. A public key is a string of letters and numbers automatically generated by the crypto wallet provider. A private key is another string of numbers and letters, but one that only the owner of the wallet should know. Imagine a cryptocurrency wallet as an email address. You must provide your email address to others in order to receive emails. In the case of cryptocurrency wallets, this would be your public key, and you must share it with others in order to participate in any blockchain transaction. However, you would never divulge your email account's password to a third party. That password is the equivalent of your private key for crypto wallets, which should under no circumstances be disclosed to anybody else. Users of crypto wallets can take part in transactions using these two keys without jeopardizing the integrity of the money being traded or the transaction itself. To authenticate any payments transmitted or received, the public key associated to your digital wallet must match your private key. The balance in your crypto wallet will change or remain the same when both keys have been validated. Types of crypto wallet. The two main categories of cryptocurrency wallets are hot wallets and cold wallets. The primary distinction between the two is that hot wallets remain online all the time while cold wallets are kept offline. Hot wallets. Digital instruments known as hot wallets are always connected to the internet. Users may monitor their currencies and trade them using these pieces of software from a phone or desktop computer. You can use certain hot wallets on a range of devices because they are available online or as browser extensions. Hot wallets' greatest perk is how convenient they are. Unless they're restricted to a particular device, your public and private keys are saved and encrypted on the appropriate app or website for your wallet, making them accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. They are the best option for individuals who trade frequently and are thinking about using Bitcoins due to their accessibility. Hot wallets are more vulnerable to intrusions since they are always available online. The software that supports your wallet has flaws that hackers may take advantage of, or they can employ malware to infiltrate the system. This is especially risky for online wallets run by cryptocurrency exchanges, which are often greater targets for crypto criminals. The advantages of hot wallets are accessible from any location with an internet connection and more easily accessible if the private key is lost than with cold wallets. While the disadvantages are less secure than cold wallets and more susceptible to assaults of all kinds, and your keys for custodial wallets are stored on the exchange's servers. Cold wallets. Your digital keys are kept offline on a piece of hardware or a piece of paper using cold wallets. A hardware wallet is often a USB device that lets you to purchase, sell, and exchange cryptocurrency while it's linked to a computer. Your keys in paper wallets could be encoded on a sheet of paper, printed as a QR code, or carved on a metal or other surface. Cold storage wallets are purposefully made to be difficult to hack. Hackers are unable to remotely access the owner's keys unless the wallet owner falls for a phishing scam. A criminal would need to steal the USB drive used to access your cryptocurrency in order to utilize something like a hardware wallet, and they would then need to figure out how to unlock the drive's password. Due to the high level of security, wallet owners might make mistakes. If your private key is not safely stored elsewhere and you lose your USB drive or piece of paper, you are basically without access to your crypto. Due to the two-key security method, regaining access on a cold wallet is typically not feasible in contrast to hot wallets, which allow for access recovery through a seed phrase. The advantages of hot wallets are more secure than hot storage wallets due to offline storage, and many hardware wallets are supported by hot storage wallets. While the disadvantages are transactions take longer on average and nearly impossible to recover currencies without a backup of your digital keys. What have you learned from this video? Do you got an idea how important it is to a crypto investor? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you think this video have added value to your knowledge, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you.